Did you notice that the sentiment score for mobile has dipped to -0.60, while momentum remains flat? This unusual drop, especially considering the historical baseline, suggests a growing discontent that you should pay attention to. In fact, with 20 semantic clusters identified, the API reveals nuanced conversations around mobile that could indicate specific pain points or emerging trends. Imagine using this insight to refine your mobile app features or marketing strategy. By understanding the sentiment landscape, you can make data-driven decisions that resonate with users. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis that helps you decode user emotions and trends in real time. Dive deeper into the data with us at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.